I will not consume microwave.
Loudon Plankton, what in the barnacles are you doing outside me crusty crab?
I will not consume microwave.
Oh no, not again. The money-making microwaves are being devoured by these buzzing pests.
I will now consume microwave.
This is unacceptable. Me business will go bankrupt if this keeps up.
I will not consume microwave.
Why can't you just leave me alone and find something else to consume?
I will now consume microwave.
Oh sure, let's just let them consume all our appliances while we're at it. Great idea, Jenny's. That's it. Mr. Krabs has had enough of this nonsense. He's going to put an end to this microwave madness once and for all. Mr. Krabs will not rest until every last microwave is safe from your tinny little jaws. Get out of here before Mr. Krabs loses his temper and turns you both into crab cakes. That was a close one. Mr. Krabs needs a drink after all that excitement.